Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to finish the edges of canvas or denim material so that it doesn't fray when you are recycling for a sewing project. You're going to use a zigzag stitch either set on 4 or 5 C, and I'm staying at 2.5. And you want to zigzag almost like a serger would finish the edges of fabric by allowing the zigzag to wrap around the outside of the fabric. Certainly you need to back stitch the beginning and the end. I will do a back stitch at the end, crossing over the first stitch, the beginning of the stitch, and then crossing back over the end of my stitch a few times to ensure that the stitch does not come undone. Nobody wants a recycled project that has fraying, and so this is how we keep our canvas or denim material from fraying. You do this to every piece of recycled denim or canvas fabric that you use in your project so that you do not have fraying. Fraying can cause knots and just doesn't look real nice. But the biggest problem is that it just causes knots and tangles if you are to use the fabric for an item like a bag or clothing, attire, anything really. So now I'm back at the beginning of my stitch. I'm going to go back over my stitch a couple of times just to ensure that it stays in place. And I'm good to go. Let's remove and take a look at what the zigzag stitch looks like. Do we see how it wraps around the outside of the fabric? That this keeps fraying to a minimum. And you can certainly trim the frays that are already present, and then it should keep other frays from appearing.